is David. Ate, ang takip ng kanyang chupeta. David will go to the doctor now. Bring the pillow, ate. Sakay mo na yan. Yung pillow. Yan, oo. Yung pillow na yan. Yan na si David. Today is his vaccine day. He will go to see Dr. Mirasol. There's David wearing the sock. There. Wow. Hi, David. Say hi. Hi, David. How are you, David? Today is your vaccine day. You're going to see your doctor today. No crying, David, ha? No crying. Ate, buhatin mo na, te.
Ano ka susi? Ito ang susi.
Wala kang susi?
Papatay pa yun.
Ano sa bag ko? Video ko to. Ikaw mag-video. David. Oh, buhat na, te. Buhat na. Buhat na. There is ate. I will bring the pillow. May dala kang kumot, eh. Pang sapin doon. Oh, there's David. There's David. Okay, David will go to the doctor now. Oh, David. Smile naman, David. A smile naman, David. Say bye, Daddy. Say bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Say bye, Daddy, David.